Welcome to the project demonstration of Gesture Speak Indian Sign Language Recognition. In this project, we are using ultrasonic sensor for object detection and also using Arduino Nano vibrator and MEM sensor, and also using one speaker, and also here we can see Raspberry Pi 4, and here we can see the amplifier for the speaker, and also using flex sensors. Here we can see the flex sensors. Each flex sensor is connected to the each finger, and also for the display purpose we are using LCD display. So let us see the demonstration. So we have to connect power supply to this Raspberry Pi 4. So here we can see we are using this adapter for the power supply. It takes 230 volts of AC and it will give a 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be connected to this Raspberry Pi 4. In this way we have to connect power supply to this Raspberry Pi. Through Raspberry Pi, the power supply will be given to the all components are equally divided. So here we can see system is on. So first of all we need to connect our mobile hotspot to this system. So here we can see we are connecting our mobile hotspot. So we have to set our mobile hotspot as a Project 6451 and password should be 129. Then only it will be connected. So here we can see one device is connected. So device name is showing here Raspberry Pi. So
welcome to the project.
So here we can see it is showing welcome to the project. So when hotspot is connected to this, when this hotspot is connected to this Raspberry Pi, then only system will be works. So the Raspberry Pi will be connected to this our mobile phone hotspot, then only this system will be initialized and monitored, and it will give a message like welcome to the project. Then only the system will be works good. So here we can see 15 signs. So each signs will be, so here we can see Namasitu, nice. These are the 15 signs will be done through this gloves.
Object detected.
So due to my phone this showing object detected. So this ultrasonic sensor will be capturing this phone. That's why it is showing again and again object detected. With the Namaste. So for Namaste sign we can use like this. This is for the Namaste, and here we can see it will be in monitoring. So after monitoring we have to go for the next sign. So we are going for the next sign. It is please. For the please we will go with like this.
Object detected.
So in this way this please will be works, and we are going with the another one sorry. So for the sorry we will do like this.
Sorry.
Another one we are going with the welcome. Welcome for
Object detected. Object
so
detected.
the ultrasonic sensor is detecting this table.
Object.
So now we are going with the welcome. for the welcome.
Object detected.
Sorry, it is again.
Welcome.
Okay, again we are doing welcome.
Peace. Welcome.
So here we can see it is asking, going with the stop.
Welcome.
For the stop we are used like this.
Object detected. Object detected. Stop.
For the stop sign
Stop.
we will do like this, and again we are going with the pain sign, we will use.
Stop.
So for the pain sign we are using like this.
Pain.
For the pain, this is the sign, and again we are going with the U. For the U purpose, we are giving the sign like this. So it is now it is monitoring. After the monitoring, you will use like this. For the U purpose, we will give like this sign, and again come with the initial position. So now we are moving with the water. For the water sign, we will use like this.
Water. 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 Engine. Engine.
So now we are moving with the Indian sign. For the Indian sign, we will do like this.
Engine.
Now it is again monitoring. So we are going with the loser. Loser for
Object detected. Loser.
so here we can see the loser.
Loser.
For the loser, we will give a
Loser.
sign like this.
Loser.
For the victory purpose, we will use this sign, and we are going with the another thank you. So this is the thank you, and again we are going with the. For the excuse me, we will use like sign like this.
Object detected.
So
Easily. Easily.
for the excuse me purpose, we will use like this.
Excuse me.
And again we are moving with the telephone. For the telephone purpose, we will give sign like this.
Telephone.
So here we can see it is showing telephone. With the 15th one, it is a nice. So we are going with a nice sign like this.
Nice.
In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for watching. So here we can see monitoring. So when it is showing the monitoring, then only you will give a sign. Then only it will give a noise through this speaker.